Hey!
Hey!
We are Rach and Ash, and we are wild Troopy travellers. We came up with the concept in lockdown 1.0 here in Victoria. It was just a bit of fun where we could log the build of the Troopy, and yeah, it's a bit of fun for our friends and family to follow us along.
A little hobby.
A little hobby, yeah. She has been. She's definitely kept us sane throughout the lockdowns. We're also in a lockdown 3.0. Hopefully we'll get out soon, and yeah, we'll be hitting the road for the big lap.
So here are our Troopy modifications.
So we'll start up the front end. We've had her for 2.5 years. She's a 2013 Land Cruiser Troopcarrier. She was a community bus in Alice Springs, and we bought her, and we've slowly built her up. So we just got a recovery winch. We got her personalised number plates. It's Ash's birthday, it's not the birthday of her. We also have the spotties and the light bar. We also have an Anderson plug outlet just on the grill here for our solar blanket. The UHF radio. We added flares so that we could put some bigger tyres on. So she's just got the Toyo All-Terrain, 33 inch, and she's also got a Terrain Tamer suspension lift. We got a 2-inch lift. So nothing fancy. We just wanted her for touring, for overlanding. Yeah, we've got the the sun visor. It is so handy. We actually didn't realise how much sun glare comes in, so it's definitely been a game changer. Obviously we've got the 270. It's a Darch, whatever you want to say. We've had that pretty much for the whole time we've had her, so it was probably the first month. That was our first mod, and it's been incredible. We've used it a lot. We'll start in the cockpit. So we've got the one-stone armrests, which are like an armchair, and they look quite stock with her. The grey, is almost basically the same. They are a godsend as well. She's pretty clean in there. We've got the black duck, which were a Christmas present from Mama Bear. We love them. We've got the Railblazer iPod mount. We've also got the T-bar console that we had custom made. It's got 2 USB points just over here at the top, 2 points. And we also added 2 water bladders. So we carry 100 litres of water. We did look into getting an undercarriage water system, but they're quite expensive and expensive to fit. So we just, we're happy with something cheaper, and it works perfectly. So on the side of the vehicle is the recovery tracks, the max tracks. So I'll just show you. It also doubles as a table, which we've just put some non-slip mat down. It's great. It's been awesome having that there. We'll come around the back. So Ash has had a couple of little things that he's added to the Troopy. One is this kitchen sink. Just push this one down. So that's been so handy as well. And this is just for like truck stops and quick little lunches. We do have another table. Tables are something that you always need space to store things or cook things on or eat from. So that's that one. Now we've got the camp cover carry bags. They're just from Quick Pitch, and we've just got everything in there. We've got salt and spices up the top, Leatherman and a couple of knives in there, tea towels, bug spray, just like sauces. We're going to sort it out a bit better once we get on the road, but at the moment we've just we've taken stuff out of the drawers and it's been so helpful. Yeah, you can see everything: toiletries, fishing gear, batteries, maps. So the drawers are full bore 4B drawers. He's in
Carambara.
I always get Carambara and Kooyrup confused. Yeah, so we got to custom design them. We're so happy with them. We've had them for about maybe like a year and a half. And Dion is an absolute legend if anybody is in the market for some. So it's a bit messy at the moment. We don't really have any organisation as such. But we'll get better at that. Now we've got a work light here and a reverse light. We've also got a button at the front. There's one at the back here too. We've just got a little power board here too, which has got the light switches, the fan switch, another Anderson plug for the solar blanket, so we can hook it in from the front and the back. Got a 10-meter cable for that. Yeah, switches for the fans, the lights. I'll go into that in a bit more detail. So over here as well, there's another drawer. This is going to be for our clothes. So it's our wardrobe. I know what you're thinking. It's a small wardrobe for just one chick. I've got to share it with him.
That's just your one.
And we've got the Dometic 85-litre dual fridge freezer, which is incredible. So originally we actually had an Evercool. We always wanted a Dometic, but I think we just, we didn't think that we could get one. But we both worked really hard throughout the lockdown. So that is the fridge slide and the table. Or another table, should I say. So the Dometic, the dual fridge freezer, is so good. You can turn off one section if you're not using it to save power. You can turn them both into fridges or both into freezers. We've got the solar screens. They're on the back windows. We've also normally got them on the side, all the sides. We've just taken them off for this filming. And they have been incredible. So they're Australian made. It's a company up in Queensland, and they're custom made. So they're made for the car. Yeah, definitely worth supporting the smaller businesses. So they insulate the heat and the cool, as well as block the light. And so like Ash and I can sleep until quite late, and we're not very good sleepers. So that says something.
We're good sleepers. We just wake up very early.
Yeah, we're morning people, so we're not very good at sleeping in, should I say. So we've got the Sirocco, the 2 fans. I'll just click so it's got 3 settings. There's one up in the top corner. Definitely worth the investment. They then also click back into place. And we've got the lights, which change to bug friendly, and they also dim as well. Now the bed is a Clark rubber mattress. It's a super duper mattress. That's all I don't know.
Super duper.
I don't know what type. But anyway, it's really comfy. We had it custom cut at the shop as well. We like a thick mattress. Yeah, so very comfy. And I think that's it at the back. I'm trying to think what else. We've got a cargo net that we just rigged up. We just chuck hats, towels, like the clothes we're wearing in the daytime. Behind the on the rack, what is it called?
The roof rack.
The roof rack. We've also got a high lift jack and a shovel mount. So that's just part of our recovery gear.
Spare water and spare diesel.
Yes, spare water and spare diesel. And we've also got 2 cargo boxes up the top that store like our Weber, Ash's spearfishing gear, his fishing gear, all of that type of stuff. So I'll take you around the side. So we've obviously got the spare wheel, which that came custom. We've just got a Kmart rear bar. There's nothing fancy about it. But we've just got, yeah, the Toyo on there. We've got some spare Max tracks as well, recovery tracks. We've just got the Bush Ranger wheel back. Yeah, just really handy. I say everything's handy because everything is. We've really tried to research and think about things, but it is like, you know, just being able to not have the rubbish sitting in the car or sitting on the roof or catching on anything. It's all in the back here. We've got the ensuite awning tent, which is kick-ass. Again, we've researched and for what it is, we've had it for about maybe 6 months. It's been great. It's also a change tent for me. And we've just got a 12-volt shower system. So you just put it in a bucket of water. We were going to get all the fancy-dancy hot water system and all of that, but we're chasing the heat. So we're not really too bothered about the hot shower. A warm shower, you just boil a kettle. I mean, it's just that to have a shower at the end of the day has been incredible. Like, it's so good. So around to the side, we've got a custom-built ladder, which was like a special request from Ash, and it's, yeah, again, incredible, super handy. I don't know, like, I say all those words so much, but yeah, it's something that we've really thought about. Makes getting up easy. Just to the driver's side, we've got the Uniden. Yeah, Uniden. UHF radio. And we've got, again, nothing really that's out of the ordinary in here. We normally have the iPad mounted, and we've got the Hammer Map navigation system, but we left that at home.
That's about it, isn't it? Or?
It is. I can't really think of anything else, really.
So pretty much the storage up top, it's going to have fishing gear, spearfishing gear, a barbecue.
So that is us. Anything else you want to add, Ash?
No.
So just a quick one. I'm not really like electrical. I'm not really any of those things. But anyway, we've got a dual battery system for power. We also run, and we forgot to bring it today, but we've got a all-spark solar blanket. It's a 900 watt. Is that right? No, 200 watt.
200 watt.
See, I told you, I'm not very good at these things.
Holy bejeebers. 900.
200 watt all-spark blanket. We did think about the pros and cons of fixed to mobile solar panels, and we thought that we preferred the idea of the mobility of a blanket. So we got the Allspac, which is it's a good one, I guess. You know, we did a bit of research on that. We've also got an inverter, which we've just got down the side here. It's a Red Arc 700 watt inverter, just so that we can run our laptop, my hair straightener. That's pretty much it, just to convert that power, but we don't really have much that we need other than 12 volt. We've really tried to research and, you know, get things that are 12 volt.
It's your turn. So that is our build. It's just a nice simple build, nothing too complicated. We've got water, we have power, we have comfort.
We didn't really want all the luxuries. I mean, I think that we're super happy with where it's at. You know, it's and it's super easy. I mean, we get to a location and it's set up so quickly, and that's what we really wanted.
That's another thing. It's about the setup and pack up. So it's a 5-minute setup and it's a 5-minute pack up. So
we just wanted to be able to get on the road, basically.
Yeah, and make it easy, not make it a mission to pack up every time. So
yeah. So that's us. Like and subscribe, Wild Troopy Travellers. It feels weird saying that, but come on, join the crew.
Thanks guys. See you soon.